Hey there, my friend and fellow traders. Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So it's that time again, the start of the trading week, and it is actually the last week of May 2020. The weeks and months are flying in this year. Okay, so as always, this video is this week's free trade alert. We've had the past 2 weeks, the two trades that I've given out via my YouTube channel have been very good. A few hundred pips in profit on them. Last week was the Aussie Kiwi. The week before was the British Pound Aussie. Okay, so before we actually get into this week's free trade setup, if you're new to my channel and want to stay up to date with all my latest videos, my weekly trade alerts, and just basically information that will help you evolve as a trader, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so we're going to get into the video and we're going to get into your free trade alert. Okay, so I'll just hide this. Okay, so this week's trade is going to be, again, it's going to be on the Aussie Kiwi. And the first thing I'm going to look at here is the Forex Pro dashboard. It's the new dashboard that instantly allows me to analyze the whole Forex market in seconds. But if we look at the British Pound Aussie on the stochastic dashboard and look at the daily, weekly, especially the weekly, okay, these higher time frames are approaching critical extremes, and the overall total is approaching a critical extreme. So I'm liking this of the stochastic, especially this weekly value is down, right down near zero, and it's indicating a very strong possible buy setup. We don't just buy solely off the dashboard, we have to go to the chart and do the analysis. And if we also look at the RSI dashboard, okay, oops. The RSI dashboard, it is also on the higher time frames approaching the critical extremes, especially on the daily. Okay, so I'm liking this trade for pop up. And if we go to the higher time frames, okay, you can see in the monthly chart here we have in around this area here, there's a bit of support, and we also have the higher time frame price zone in there. Okay, so market could over the next couple of months trend back down into this area here. We also have this breakout area of this high here. Okay, these were the highs and price broke out of them, and that's where we are now. So this kind of area here is indicating to me a strong buying area on the British Pound Aussie. And if we zoom in on the weekly, okay, we have this weekly area here that was kind of taken out last week, but it popped up straight away. Okay, you can see here it's actually so what I'm expecting this week is market maybe pop down on Monday. We could see it hit this area here, 184, this high here with the breakout, and you can see we've had a reaction here before. So kind of this area here, I'm looking to enter this, and I'm looking to enter it around 185.4. Okay, and the take profit's going to be, well, stop loss first is going to be 184.1, 130 pips. It's going to be just under these lows here. Okay, and the take profit is going to be around, first easy one is going to be around up here. This is at 195, say 191. Okay, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, it's trending down heavily, but I'm expecting this to hold. So the price pops down to our entry this week and then rallies up. Okay, so you can either do this on to enter this trade in two ways. You can either enter with the MACD divergence. Now remember, if you're watching this video new, you can download the MACD divergence indicator absolutely free. Just hit the download the indicator now button below. And so 185.4, we're looking to enter a buy trade on this next week. Either a buy trade or enter the first divergence on the 1 hour, 4 hour daily charts you see. And it's looking like a strong buy. Okay, so going to enter the text. Okay, so let's be buy British pound AUD at 1.85.4 or first divergence. Okay. Right, when this pops, it will pop very strongly. So stop loss is going to be at 1.8041 and take profit will be at 1.91. Okay, so that's the trade. You can stop it, pause it. Remember, trade at your own risk, control your risk at all times, and looking forward to hearing your results and getting a few pips on this trade. Okay, so if you want to access our full list of 22 signals for the week ahead, simply hit the subscribe button now. If you have any questions, let me know at fxace.com. And yeah, so have a great week. Happy trading. Hope the trade works out for you. And I'll see you on the next video.